My mom, she needed to me. My mother, if I didn't one that dislike her, it would be critical. She's the one who bears the brunt of my father's violent ways and malicious abuse. When I was younger, she used to protect me from him, so I didn't favor back then. But maybe I do favor now. Okay, this is not related to my point. Even as my father screams in her face, throws bones at her, and tells her out for alcohol, late at night, she refused ever loyal to him. I just did not accept her worthless. Although this dad was like, come on, she tolerates the dad. I mean, when we have a dad, like, आप और फाइट करने को फाइट नहीं देगा ठीक है हर कोई फाइट करके टेनिस फाइट एक्चुअली मैं दो मिनट नहीं देगा to me the fact my father my first learned to term family after the husband and that is meant for man who does nothing but gossip wipe out was the first person to come to mind one also like this that very popular not even I said for morning if I said nothing he gets angry instead and one week energy he just explodes he doesn't want to go to his emotions because they come at night he yells at mom to things around him in his system so that why can't we act like that in public right everyone else will get feels quite transparent oh it's how बाहर में pretend करता है कि बहुत शांत है एकदम शांत है that whole remember I didn't spend money something that had nothing like that he was like wait I think the photo to a video she comes to radiation kind of people like there's nothing she can't do. But I don't know anything. One day she was able to spread one class. I can relate. You're nice. You're paper. She's always doing everything else today. I thought. So I think she left to get married. Not almost correct. You might see what married when she left. The back of her she was like, oh yeah, but still, she left. Very relatable. First, the character I took her, but after the